Hello friends, in this video we are going to find the derivative of this equation. Y is equals to x squared sine x. Okay, let us start. So to find the derivative of this function, I will use the product rule. When I have two functions, if my y is equals to my u times my v, my dy by my dx will be equal to u prime v plus v prime u. So this is the formula of the product rule. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, let us proceed. So that means my y is equals x squared times sine x. So that means my u is equal to x squared and my v is equal to sine x. Okay, du by dx, which is equals to u prime, is equal to 2x, because I also have this formula. When you have a function y is equals to axn, where a can be any number, it can be any number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0.5 and all the rest, or let us say where a is an element of, is a real number. When I have such things, my dy by my dx will be equal to n times ax n minus 1. So this is the formula I have applied here to obtain 2x. Now my dv by dx, which is equals to v prime, will be equals to cos x, because when I differentiate the sine function, I will obtain the cosine function. Okay, so now my dy by dx will be equal to u prime 2x times v cos x plus v prime cos x times v prime cos x, u prime 2x times v is sine x. Okay, let us write sine x plus v prime cos x times u x squared. So I will obtain 2x times sine x plus x squared cos x, and this can give me at the end x times 2 sine x plus cos x. So friends, here x. Okay, thank you. So friends, this is the end of this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you have any preoccupation or problem, please write it on the comment center, and please subscribe to my channel. If you will like to see more videos in differentiation, in trigonometry, in integration, please tell me in the comment sector. I will be pleased to continue to do such videos. Take care. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao.